Section 601 under the miscellaneous is the core maintenance. I'm just going to click on this, and the core maintenance shows you every core that was either charged to a customer because they didn't bring it in, or the fact that the customer did bring the core in and it needs to be shipped back to the manufacturer. It's very simple to use. Is you basically just select the date that you are returning that core to the manufacturer for your credit, and you can type in comments. And from this point on, you can filter and drill these down to cores that were not returned by the customer, or you can click the ones that were not returned to the manufacturer as of yet that you need to ship back, and then you can click the show all, which gives you a combination of the two. You can go into the parts reporting section and run core management reports that will also display this information for you on paper.